welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. So today we have to discuss one more important topic, that is physics, general science. This is very important in your competitive exam, because any competitive exam there is a general science paper is very important. In the general science paper, physics subject is very important, right? Today we have to discuss about what is physics, which content will available in the physics paper, any general science paper, what are the previous questions in UPSC, groups, whatever the exams are there in competitive exams, topmost exams are there, no? We have to discuss some old questions also, right? Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel to your friends. Please listen and enhance your physics knowledge in your day-to-day life. Thank you. Right. Now we are going into the general science physics. What content is there in your competitive exam? What is physics? We have to discuss. Previously year question solutions, UPSC, TSPSC examinations. Now we have to discuss about that. First you have to see here what is the content is there. This content are divided into 10 parts, right? So these 10 parts also I will explain. Some videos I will upload in YouTube. If you want to purchase my course, you go to the Play Store, download my app, that is Quantum Online Academy app. From that app, this course will available from March 1st onwards, right? Now you have to listen. What is the thing once you have to see content? First topic is our universe. Within the universe, what is there? Stars, galaxies and everything is there, no? We have to discuss about the universe. The second one is mechanics. Third one is waves and sound. Fourth one is heat and temperature. Fifth one is the light. Sixth one is electricity. Seventh one is the magnetism. Eighth one is liquids. Ninth is modern physics. 10th is electronics. Based on these 10 topics, maybe each and every topic at least 3 hours if you have to keep. Within 30 hours, entire physics will complete. At least 3-4 questions you will get any competitive exam from this physics subject. It is very easy. Once you listen my class, what is physics we have to learn now. Actually, what is physics? Physics is nothing but, physics is a science, right? It is a study of science. What is the physics? Physics is the branch of science. Now you have to see what is physics. It is a branch of science. Branch of science. It deals with whom, nana? It deals with matter and energy. It deals with matter and energy. Physics is the study of science. Physics is one of the branch in the science, right? It deals with two things. One is matter, another one is the energy. Energy or radiation, whatever it may be. First you have to take energy or matter, or interaction between them. Physics is a branch of science which deals with matter and energy. What is matter? Matter we call it as assembly of millions of particles. Assembly of millions of particles, we call it as a matter. Assembly of millions of particles, we call it as a matter. What is the energy? Energy means the capacity to do some work. Such the type of capacity we call it as a energy. the capacity to do some work, we call it as a energy. What is energy? The capacity to do some work, we call it as a energy. Right, now I am coming into the matter. Matter exists in 3 states in the universe till now. Matter exists how many states? 3 states in the universe. One state is solids, second state is liquids, the third state is gases. Matter exists 3 states. The first state is solid, the second state is liquid, the third state is gases. Nowadays, the fourth state also we are discussing. That state we call it as a plasma state. Which state it is? Plasma state. High energy state. This state we call it as a high energy state. Plasma is the fourth state of the matter which exists at high temperatures and pressure. Where it is exist plasma? Plasma is existing at high temperature and pressure. What is the plasma? Plasma is the fourth state of matter. It exists high temperature and pressure only. Where high temperature pressures exist? In the sun, in the star, in the center of the earth also this plasma is existing. In general, the state of matter is observed on the surface of the sun, surface of the stars, at the center of the earth, at the center of the planet. Temperature is heavy, pressure is heavy. That's why their matter is in plasma state. Clear? Right? Physics deals with 2 things. One is matter, another one is energy. What is the matter? Assembly of millions of particles, we call it as a matter. How many matter states are existing? 3 states are existing, such as solids, liquids, gases. Nowadays, the fourth state of matter also we are discussing. That state we call it as a plasma state, high energy state or ionic state. Where it is exist? It exists at high temperature and pressure only. High temperature and pressure, which place they are? They are at the sun, stars and the center of the earth. Now I am coming into the energy. What is energy? The capacity to do some work, we call it as a energy. Energy means the capacity to do some work, we call it as energy. What are the capacities? What is the unit of the energy? Joules, calorie, electron volt, kilowatt hour. These are the units of the energy. Very, very important. So many times your competitive people are asking the question, joule is the unit of which parameter? Calorie is the unit of which parameter? Electron volt is the smallest unit of the energy. Kilowatt hour is the unit of the energy. Now, we have to discuss about what is the energy conservation principle. Law of conservation of energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? Energy should not created nor destroyed. Energy can change from one form to another form. Such type of phenomena we call it as a law of conservation of energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? It states that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can transform from one form to another form. One form to another form. It can transform from one form to another form. Hence, the total energy of the universe remains constant. Such type of definition we call it as a law of conservation of energy. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can exist in various forms. Energy can exist various forms. Energy nor be created, neither be destroyed. It change into one form into another form. So that's why how many forms can exist in the universe? Now you have to see sound energy, light energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy, heat energy, that is thermal energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, solar energy, muscular energy, and wind energy, and etc. So many energies are there. Various forms of energies are there. Clear? This is very, very important. What is the muscular energy? This energy is the highly constructive and destructive form of energy. We call it as a muscular energy. The highly constructive and destructive form of energy, we call it as muscular energy. This energy can exist in biological cells. Clear? The highly constructive and destructive energy, we call it as a muscular energy. These are the energy forms. Now we have to discuss some questions. Today what we discussed, what is the content is there in general science physics, that content I explained. Next, what is physics, the definition I told. What is physics? Physics is a science of branch. So physics is the branch of science, right? It deals with two things. One is matter, another one is the energy. We are discussing about the matter. We are discussing about the energy. Clear? Now, what are the questions are coming in previously asked in UPSC and simultaneously in groups examination, Telangana Public Service Commission examination previously they conducted. What type of questions came once you have to see. This question is UPSC 2023 prelims question. This question is UPSC 2023 prelims question. Now you have to see. Consider the following pairs. You have to consider the following pairs. First one, Cepheids. Cepheids, they gained clouds of dust and gas in space. Nebulae, stars which brighten and dim periodically. They gave the pair. Pulsars, neutron stars that are formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse. Which pair is correct? What they are asking the question? Once you have to see how many of the above pairs are correctly matched. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Here you have to see what is the Cepheids. Cepheids means, what is the Cepheids? Stars which brighten, dim and brighten periodically. This is the unit of the distance. What distance one galaxy to another galaxy? There is a distance is there. That distance is Cepheids distance. Stars which brighten and dim periodically, that one we call it as a Cepheids. Nebulae. Nebulae means gained clouds of dust and gas in space. This is the supernova nebulae. This one is that one. So that's why this pair is wrong. This pair also wrong. Now which one is correct? Pulsar is correct. What is the pulsar? Neutron stars that are formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse. That one we call it as a pulsar. Therefore, how many pairs are correct? Only one pair is correct. Only one pair is correct. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. When they are asking UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, Civil Service Prelims Examination 2023 paper, they are asking this question. Once you have to check this. This is very, very important. Next, second one we have to see. This question, Combined Defense Service, UPSC only they are conducting for Combined Defense Service 2023. Last year this question came. Now you have to see. The power of lens of a focal length 10 centimeter is? First focal length you have to write. Focal length is equal to 10 centimeter. You have to convert into meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 meters is equal to 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. Clear? Now what they are asking? The power of the length of a focal length. What is the power of the length of a focal length? 1 by f. 1 by f. 1 by f is equal to 0.1 meter. F is equal to 0.1 meter. So if it is goes to denominator to numerator, what will happen? 10 diopter. That unit of power is equal to 10 diopter. 10 diopter. This is the power of lens, focal length 10 centimeter. What is your option? Your option C is correct. How simple it is. These simple questions are they are asking Union Public Service Commission. Don't think UPSC is so hard. Don't think. UPSC is very easy. Whatever the questions you are learning, in BSc also this question is there. In intermediate also power of the power of a focal length is there. Based on that you have to learn. This is the first one. Next, second, third one you have to see. This question also CDE or CDS, Combined Distance Service, Defense Service, Combined Defense Service 2023 UPSC people are asking this question. See, consider the following statements about the microphone. Which one they are asking? About the microphone and the speaker of a mobile phone. Speaker of a mobile phone. They are giving two. One is microphone. Microphone. Which one it is? Microphone. Suppose this is microphone, right? Mic. Microphone is nothing but mic. Next, speaker of a mobile phone. Speaker of mobile phone. Speaker of mobile phone. These two objects they are giving, right? They are asking once, in microphone, convert sound energy to mechanical energy. Which one it is? Microphone is converting which energy into which energy? Sound energy to electrical energy. Microphone is converting sound energy to electrical energy. Which one is the second one? Microphone is converting sound energy to electrical energy, because this is a mic. I am speaking, I am making some sound. This sound is receiving through the receiver, through the wire. You are listening my voice. Sound energy to electrical signal it is converting. So that is the microphone duty. Next, speaker of the mobile phone. Speaker of the mobile phone means electrical energy. Electrical energy is converted to which energy? Sound energy. Electrical energy is converted to sound energy. Which one is correct? The speaker converts the mechanical energy to sound. Wrong. The speaker converts electrical signal to the sound. This is correct. Which option is? Second and fourth is correct. Option D is correct. How simple it is. How simple it is. Your daily used ones they are asking. Illiterate people also can do this question. Clear? So that is the thing. Once you have to see. Engineering service exam is there. This exam also UPSC Union Public Service Commission will conduct. After completion of the engineering, there is a engineering service is there. Right? Which one of the following scientists called entropy times arrow? One scientist name is there. Which one of the following scientists we call it as a entropy times arrow? One scientist name we call it as a entropy times R. What is the entropy of the universe? Entropy of the universe gradually increases, correct? It is not stable. Entropy is not fixed. It is the changing. How it is changing? The universe of the entropy is changes, increases. That increases value. Who introduced? Arthur Eddington introduced. This Arthur Eddington, we also call it as entropy times RO. Or the Arthur Eddington name, also we call it as entropy times RO. Clear? Entropy times RO scientist name is Arthur Eddington. Clear? This is the question. Indian Science, Engineering Science examination. Now you have to see, in 2013, Telangana Public Service Commission, 2 times they conducted the Group 1 examination. First time they asked this question. Once you have to see TSPSC 2023 Group 1 exam question. Suppose defect of the vision. What defect of your vision? Corrected lens. Some people are keeping the spectacles instead of lens. Is there any defect is there in our lens? We have to keep in front of this eye one more lens. We have to reduce that defect, right? So first, myopia. Myopia means it is a shortedness effect. So which one we have to use? This one, bioconcave lens. Biconcave lens we have to use to reduce the myopia. Hypermetropia. This one is a long-sightedness defect. Which one we have to use? Biconvex lens we have to use to reduce this. Presbyopia. Here one concave and convex lens combination we have to use. Astigmatism. To reduce the astigmatism, which one we have to use? Cylindrical lens we have to use. Therefore, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Option 3 is correct. Right? Which one is correct? Option 3 is correct. Such type of question so many times they are asking. So please remember, if it is myopia, we have to use the biconcave lens. If it is hypermetropia, you have to use a bioconvex lens. If it is a presbyopia, you have to use the combination of concave convex lens. If it is astigmatism, you have to use your cylindrical lenses. Right? Clear? That is the thing. Now you have to see this question. Already I told, TSPSC 2 times conducted. 2 times also paper mismatch is there. First time the paper leakage is there. Second time they are not taking the biometric. So now is in court. Right now you have to see this second time question. TSPSC 2020-23 Group 1 paper. Second time they gave this question. Integrated chip is produced on the piece of semiconductor crystal by which process they are asking. This question is science and technology question. By using the photolithography process, we have to integrate whatever the design. If you want to integrate on that pattern, this suppose you have to take one wafer. So this is the wafer. Suppose if you want to integrate any pattern means electronics pattern. If you have to integrate embed on this, which how we have to write. So you have to keep this pattern. And use the photolithography technique. This pattern can imprint on this wafer. Such type of technique we call it as a photolithography technique. Which technique it is? Photolithography. Photolithography technique. By using a photons means light, UV light we have to use here. By using the light, we have to litho. Litho means stones, that is the wafer is here stone. Graphy means writing. Photolithography. So by using the light on the wafer we are writing that integration pattern. Such type of pattern we call it as a integrated chips. Which phenomena we have to use to fabricate the integrated chips? Photolithography. That is very, very important. Now the TS Gurukula people are asking this question. This question is very, very important. So many times UPSC people are also asking that question only. These people are copying from that. Why does the clear sky appears as a blue? Why does the clear sky appear as a blue? Choose the correct answer from the following. 4 options they are giving. Once you have to see sky, why it is appearing as a blue color. Blue light gets absorbed in the atmosphere. Not correct. Ultraviolet radiations are absorbed in the atmosphere. Not correct. Violet and blue lights get scattered. Violet and blue light get scattered more than all other colors in the atmosphere. This one is correct. Light of all other colors is scattered less than the violet and blue color lights by the atmosphere due to their wavelength. This one is also correct. Reversely they are giving this statement. Right? Which one is correct? Option C is correct. Option D is correct. Right? Option C and option D is correct. Where it is there? Option C and option D. This one is correct. Suppose you have to see. Now atmosphere is there. This is the atmosphere. Right? Now the radiation is falling on the atmosphere. Now which color is emitting? Reflection color. That color we call it as a scattered color. The scattered color is blue. Why it is blue? The scattered blue color is more wavelength compared to the other wavelength. So that's why this sky can happen as a blue color. Such type of effect Raman introduced. Raman effect tells about sky, why it is appearing as a blue. Sea water, why it is appearing as a blue from far sight. So that effect we call it as a Raman scattering phenomena. Which phenomena it is? Raman scattering phenomena. It is very, very important question. Telangana Gurukula exams. So they are asking this question. Clear? So once you have to go through this question. Next, DAS device is that uses ultrasonic waves, measure the distance, direction, speed. We have to measure the distance, direction and speed under water. Which one technology we have to use? Sonar navigation ranging technology. That is a sonar. Sonar means sound navigation and ranging. Sound navigation and ranging technology. Sound navigation and ranging technology we have to use to measure the distance, speed, direction in the sea or water. Right? That is one is the TSPSC exam people are asking this question. DAS is the used a moderator in the nuclear reactor. Already I introduced whenever A.S. Rao, I introduced the A.S. Rao. A.S. Rao is a first Indian nuclear reactor introduced to India. Not only in India, Asia also. That reactor was Apsara reactor. Right? I told in that. So now you have to see which is used as a moderator. Hydrogen peroxide not correct. Dihydrogen not correct. Fluorocarbon not correct. Which one it is? Heavy water. Heavy water we have to use it as a moderator in the nuclear reactors. Now, one more question you have to see. Sounds of frequencies below 20 hertz. Visible range is there. Hearing range is there. What is the hearing range? The hearing range is hearing range. That range is equal to 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz or 20,000 hertz. Such sound we call it as a hearing sound. If below this less than, if it is below this sound, the sound we call it as a infrasonic sound. If above this sound, we call it as a ultrasonic sound. Ultrasonic sound. How simple it is? What is your option? Infrasonic is correct. If 20 less than the frequency of the sound, that sound we call it as a infrasonic sound. Is greater than 20,000 hertz, that sound we call it as a ultrasonic sound. Now, this question group 4 2023 people are asking how simple you have to see. With respect to single phase current, 3-phase current, like that current domestic people are serving in India. With respect to single phase power supply for domestic use, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Now you have to see voltage is equal to 230 volts, right? Frequency is equal to how much frequency? 50 hertz frequency. Voltage is equal to 230 volts, frequency is equal to 50 hertz. AC voltage, that is 230 volts, frequency is 50 hertz. That voltage must be AC only, alternating current, right? This question is very simple. Such type of question they asked in group 4. This question also in group 4 only they are asking. Match the following. Match the following ones you have to see. A matchbox. A matchbox, suppose you have to take a stick. So you have to press it. This phenomena we call it as a friction phenomena, right? Now you have to take the compass. Which phenomena can use the compass? To the magnetic phenomena. Next, mirrors. Daily we are seeing our face, our mirror only, using the mirror. By which phenomena? It is a reflection. So therefore, 1 is 2, 1 and 3. 2, 1, 3. That option is the correct option. Clear? Like these questions are coming in your competitive exam. How simple it is. If you really like my teaching, so you have to join in our app. Present offering courses, Quantum Online Academy is offering first CSIR and GATE physics. First on February onwards, this batch will start. Maybe somewhat we delayed. Actually 7th of January we want to start, but some went wrong and we delayed that course to start. Already I told all the introductions, whatever the introductions are there, mathematical methods of physics, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, electronics and experimental methods, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, atomic and molecular physics, condensed matter physics, and nuclear and particle physics, all 9 papers, and electromagnetic theory, all 9 papers I introduced, I uploaded in YouTube, our Quantum Online Academy, Quantum Online Academy YouTube channel. I uploaded all these things. Once you listen and you decide, if you really like my teaching, you download the Quantum Online Academy app from a Play Store, right? If you have any problem, you contact me. My contact number is 9908437460. Our institute number is 63032633688. Maybe from 1st March onwards, GS Physics also will available on Quantum Online Academy app, right? The entire this February month I have to teach some topics and I will upload in that in YouTube, and simultaneously I will upload in the app also. If you really like my teaching, if you really understand my teaching, you have to purchase the course. This GS Physics is very less amount only, but CSR and GATE Physics, the 1 year program, so the amount is some little bit high, right? So we will once again we have to introduce, we have to offer the courses CSR, GATE Physics, IIT JAM, IIT JEE NEET Physics, UPSC Physics, Central University Test, JL and DL also we have to plan, right? First, initially we started 2 courses, one is CSR and GATE Physics. This already is there in the app. This course is there in the app. If you really likes, you download the app from the Play Store and go to the Play Store. You download the app, you enter your details and you logged into that. If you really interest, you purchase this course. This course is very useful to you to crack the exam, not only crack the exam, to get good physics in your life, right? Now, thank you so much. Thank you listening you patiently. Once again, I am humbly request to you, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Your subscriptions are very motivated to me. Thank you so much.